Alright, good morning or afternoon. Basically, this is lesson 3 of the ADM. What we have done last lesson is that we have 4 text boxes here in the button. So what happened is that you are supposed to key in the password to go into form 2 here, which is a success. So this is your way to do security check. So what happened is that we have done up the coding. So what I've done is, if text box 1 equal to 1 and text box 2 equal to 2, probably I can even do up the rest. And text box 3 equals to 3, and text box 4 equals to 4. So you will realize that if I run the program, you will need the corresponding boxes to have the corresponding numbers before it can successfully bring you to the next form. So if I were to key in 1, 2, 3 and 4, the program, once I click submit, you will check and make sure that it is correct before bringing me to the next form, which is a success. Alright, after that, remember to stop debugging. What if the user key in only 3? Then it would mean that pin 1, 2, 3 and forget the last one. So if it's a 5, then once you submit, it will still tell you wrong passcode and try again. But let's say you will key in the 1, 2, 3 E accidentally. Then once you click submit, it will show you that there's an error. Alright, system invalid catch exception. Conversion from string E to type double is not valid. So we must try to prevent this, else there might be a loss of data along the way. So let's stop the debugging first. So remember, this is our code. If text box is 1, 2, 3, else we have enabled a timer, and the timer I've not talked to you about it yet, but probably we'll talk about it later. Alright, so what happened is that for the catching of, today we're going to talk about catching of exception. So you just type in the word try, then press enter. You will see there is a try catch exception as exception, and after that end the try catch. So they are going to try this if there's anything wrong from this if until the end of if. Okay, we'll cut the whole thing and put it under try. So if anything is wrong here when they are trying, they'll catch it as exception. Then what do we do is that we'll put up a message box that says please use only numbers 0 to 9 in each box. Then after that, when we run, you will see that once I key in 1, maybe I key in E or 2 or E4. Then once I click submit, they'll try to catch this exception and just return a message box to say please use only numbers 0 to 9. So it's rather easy, right, to understand this. Alright, so this is the part 1. About part 2, using a timer, I will explain it in the next lesson. So please, once you understand this, try. We will move on to timer. Alright, see you at the timer lesson.